Let's talk about inflation, because if you're waiting for things to get better, you might be waiting forever. Groceries are still expensive, rent keeps climbing, and let's not even talk about how much your dream home costs compared to 5 years ago. But here's the thing, while most people let inflation shrink their wallets, smart people know how to play the game. And today I'm giving you the playbook to fight back, protect your money, and get closer to home ownership, even in this expensive market. Why cooling inflation isn't helping your wallet. So the government says inflation is cooling. Great. But your grocery bill doesn't look any cooler, does it? Here's why. Cooling inflation doesn't mean prices are going down. It just means they're rising more slowly. Let's put this in housing terms. If a home was 600,000 in 2021, then jumped to 750,000 in 2023, and this year it only goes up to 780, that's cooling inflation. But you're still paying 180,000 more than in 2021. Now, what does this mean for you as a future homeowner? It means waiting isn't necessarily the smartest move. Prices are still trending up. If you don't take action now, home ownership could get even further out of reach. This is why you need to be aggressive about protecting your money, because saving isn't enough. Inflation makes your savings worth less every year. Take control of your cash flow like a mortgage pro. The first step in fighting inflation is knowing exactly where your money is going, because if you don't, inflation will eat it for breakfast. Start by doing a money audit. Look at your last 3 months of spending and ask yourself, how much am I paying towards rent or mortgage? How much is going towards debt payments? And how much is spent on subscriptions, dining out, or non-essential spending? Here's why this matters. If you're planning to buy a home, the bank is going to audit your spending before approving you for a mortgage. Lenders look at something called your total debt service ratio. And if you're spending more than 44% of your income on debt, housing, and bills, you might not qualify for a mortgage at all. So start by cutting back where it counts. Negotiate your bills. Call your internet provider, phone company, or insurance company and say, I need a better rate or I'm switching. You'd be shocked at how fast they magically find a discount. Reduce your high interest debt. The average Canadian has over $4,000 in credit card debt with interest rates at 19 to 25%. That's like setting your money on fire. The faster you pay it off, the more you'll have for homeownership. Grow your money so inflation can't shrink it. If you're keeping your money in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest, you're losing money every single day. Here's what to do instead. Move your money into a high interest savings account right now. Some are offering 4 to 5% interest. Use a TFSA to save for your home tax-free. The First Home Savings Account lets you contribute $8,000 per year towards a home tax-free. That's free money. Invest in inflation-proof assets, real estate, index funds, even a side hustle that increases your income. Why real estate is the ultimate inflation hack. Here's something wealthy people understand that most don't. Real estate is one of the few investments that actually benefit from inflation. Let's say you buy a home for $600,000 today with a fixed mortgage payment of $3,000 a month. Fast forward 5 years, rents have increased. Home values have jumped to $750,000, but your mortgage payment stays the same. Meanwhile, if you had waited to buy, that same house would be $750,000 and way harder to afford. This is why waiting for inflation to get better is a losing game. The market isn't going to slow down for you. So the question is, how do you get into the game before the prices climb even higher? So tell me, what's the first thing you're going to do to take control of your finances? Drop it in the comments. And if home ownership is on your radar, but you're not sure how to make the numbers work, let's talk, because I guarantee there's a strategy that can get you there faster than you think. And that's it for this video, guys. I really hope this helped. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like the video so more people can see it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.